Hey guys, my first video. I am getting ready to hunt at a park I've been hitting several times. I really like it. Found 2 silver Washingtons and a handful of wheats, deep, over 7 inches. Last time I was out here, I hit one of the Washingtons, and so far I've found wheats in the 50s, but last week I had found a little spot where I was finding teens and 30s, and it got me real excited. I didn't think there was anything that old out here, so I just got this big 15-inch coil for the Equinox, and I'm gonna really work this area super slow and see what I can find, and I'll check back in if we find a good target. Nickel signal here, probably foil. I think a solid 12. Is that a pull tab? Part of a pull tab. I'm guessing the rest of it's right here. Yeah. Beaver tail. Okay, after my first hole, I don't really care for the shovel, especially one-handed. I guess maybe the biggest issue. I didn't like the plug that it made. There we go. Beaver tail. Foil scrap. Another nickel signal. Shallow, so probably nothing great. Although I like to get this nickels. Could be a ring, but I like that the Equinox really tears up the nickels. That's not it. That's a piece of aluminum. Okay. Alright, so I got a deep 20 with iron. Getting enough of it. I think it may actually be some non-ferrous. We're gonna go for that. It's in the side, so it's probably a nail. Like I said, I was getting quite a bit of iron, but the non-ferrous that I was getting was coming in 1920, which made me think maybe a wheat penny. It could be the nail with a wheat penny. Sorry for the camera angle. I'm just working out the bugs in this setup here. Okay, yeah, it's super solid. Way back in the back of the hole here. So that's going to be the nail. Big. I think I got it out. There it is. Okay, there's the nail. Let's see if we got anything else in the bottom of this hole. Got a locked on 13 right on the surface here. And Let's see what we got. Could be something big. No, nickel. Doop. Nickel. Let's see what the date is. I'm sure it's modern. 74, I think. Alright, got a solid nickel. Shallow. This big coil is not too hard to pinpoint with if you use the X method, which is what I usually do. This one's just about 3 or 4 inches. Not deep. Sorry for the camera angle, I'm just figuring this harness thing out. Not sure what I'm gonna do. Yeah, just foil. Got another solid nickel. Actually, this is 12. Just right on the surface. Mostly just getting this junk out of the way. I may stop digging these surface signals. Kind of wasting my time. I don't have all time today. A big can with a pull tab. There's a can with a pull tab. I have probably, it's like a deep 20 with some iron. It keeps bouncing down the iron, but it's bouncing between like 20s. It's a solid 20. This is about where I found those wheats, so I bet you, and it's deep. This could be a wheat. Let's check it out. Got something pretty close to center. Might get lucky here. It is deep. Did I get it? Well, still down there, I guess. Well, we're still not, we're about 7 inches. Let me go deeper. Come on. Did I get it? I can't tell if that's the shovel I'm picking up. Seems to be something over here. Is that? There's that little piece right there. Oh goodness. Nope. Now that sounds better. Yeah, that sounds much better. There's something in there that's not ferrous. Let's start over. If this is a coin, it's going to be easily the deepest coin I've ever dug. Good grief. don't know how much deeper I want to go. I'll tell you what, I'm going to turn the recording off and I'm just going to keep digging. Try to find this thing. I know there's got to be something here non-ferrous. That thing was sounding off real clean. Not exactly round, though. I'm going to let you hear this one. It's mostly a 20. Right there. It's deep. This is what those weeds sounding like over here. Now, I've been over this area with the Equinox, with the SE. I've gridded this off several times. And I don't know why I wouldn't be hearing this. Oh, also I'm using Andy Sabish's coin program with a few modifications to it. Just minor. Yeah, right here. I'm on top of it. What do we got here? Oh, it's in the plug here. Hope that's not it. Is that it? Tell me that's not it. That's it. I don't know what the crap that is. That piece of junk. Got like a zinc signal here. Solid 20. Doesn't sound like a coin. It sounds probably trashy, but it's a little deeper than clad might be. So it's obviously not clad. It's not zinc. So it's got my curiosity piqued. So I'm gonna try it out. Pinpoint's kind of large. It's there, right in the middle. Yes. Yeah, that's about what I thought. It's a piece of aluminum wire. It's deep. Solid all the way around. That's sounding real good. Right there. Hopefully it's a real target this time. I'm about tired of these phantom targets. Get down to 12 inches and still don't have anything. It's getting kind of annoying. Whew, that's a big plug. Let's see what we got. Alright, let's see if it's still in the hole. Nope, it's in the plug. Well, that's good. Maybe. If I could find it. Huh, let's move the coil out of there. Where are you? Yeah, we're getting close here. Where are you? Well, this thing, I think this thing is just falsing out this huge coil. Yeah, here we go. It's right here somewhere. It's in this one here. What? Oh, look at that. It wasn't deep at all. It was some little tiny gear or something. I learned some things today. Mostly about the GoPro. Battery doesn't last very long. So, I'm going to have to tweak some things, I guess. And the second thing I learned is the harness I was using doesn't work too good. It's a little floppy. I need to make some tweaks with that. My problem is my belt that holds the pouch isn't held on to anything else. It's not holding on to my pants or my other belt. So it just rides up every time I stoop down to dig something out. So that's annoying. So I was having to fight that. Getting used to the new shovel. Not sure. It helped me out a few times. If I had a spare hand, it would be faster, but I don't. So having to dig one-handed is about as quick as just using the flesh. So I didn't dig many targets, and I got stuck on a few holes that were stinking deep. I don't know what was at the bottom of them. Just pipes or something. There were a couple, but I just gave up. I couldn't get to where it was coming from. But I guess that's the way it goes. I'm learning the new coil, so that was the first time with that out. So this is the first time out with the camera recording. First time out with the coil. First time out with the shovel. So it was kind of a pain. But after the camera went out, I did come up with a couple of wheats right at the very end before I went home. The battery didn't survive, but not even halfway through the morning. So I'm gonna have to bring an auxiliary battery pack or adjust how long the screen is on, or get another battery or something. And this thing needs to last 4 hours. I also need to stop digging these holes that go to nowhere. But anyway, let me sort out my finds here and I'll come back to you. GoPro, stop recording. Finds, a couple weeks, 50s and 40. I think it's a 40. Not much to speak of there.